aka Tay, and in today's makeup tutorial I'm going to be turning myself into the Jared Leto Joker. Now the Jared Leto Joker has no eyebrows whatsoever, therefore I will not have any eyebrows whatsoever. I started off by applying some sticky glue onto my eyebrows and brushing the hairs upwards with the eyelash brush to flatten them as much as possible. I repeated this process about 2 or 3 times, and once the glue dried, I lightly coated my brows with translucent powder to smoothen out the texture. I then went ahead and applied some MAC Prolongwear concealer in the shade NW15 to conceal them. It doesn't matter if it's messy because I'm going to be covering my face in white paint anyway. Now I naturally have a medium skin tone, so I use my Monte Professional Face and Body Paint in the shade white to achieve this look. If you're naturally fair, you don't have to do what I'm doing in this video. You can use your everyday foundation and makeup routine and all that mumbo jumbo. I was going to buy some extremely light foundation, but I didn't want to spend $50 for a bottle of foundation I'm going to use once. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So to apply the paint, I used a cheap, damp beauty blender and applied it all over my face, my neck, my chest, arms and hands. I'm only using a very, very thin layer of paint because I don't want it to look too thick and fakeish looking. Once the paint has dried, I'm going to use my BYS White Special Effects powder to smoothen out the texture because I'm going to be shading in certain areas of my body with dark eyeshadow and I need the base to be nice and blendable. Using a cheap black eyeliner, I'm going to colour in my waterline, my eyelids and roughly outline the eye look I want to retrieve. I'm going above and beyond my brow line with this one to the point where I look like a tragic geisha drag looking thing. Now the Joker is a perfectly imperfect character and in a way his makeup reflects that characteristic, so I can be as messy as I want and get away with it. Once I was happy with the eye shape, I went in with a fluffy brush and some black eyeshadow and smoothed out the black eyeliner as well as blending it out so it was nice and even. I then shaded in my temples with the same black eyeshadow and a big fluffy brush. I then contoured the crap out of my cheekbones in a subtle S motion to make them more sharp and sunken in. I used a smaller brush to shade in the sides of my nose to emphasize that shape a little as well. I then went ahead and shaded in the lines around my neck, my collarbone, and shaded in some lines for cleavage. Cause I ain't got any. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take my bright red Australis Vevolicious matte lipstick, and I'm going to use that to fill in my lips. I then grabbed the bright red shade in my BYS Special Effects Grease Paint color wheel and used a small paintbrush to paint on the Joker's smile lines. I also decided to smudge the edges of the lipstick to make it appear more messy. Next, I'm going to put some Mink eyelashes on my eyeballs to make me feel like a girl instead of a train wreck. Then using my cheap black eyeliner and a couple of reference pictures, I draw on the word damaged on my forehead and a cute little J above my cheekbone. Using that same eyeliner, I decided to roughly draw a whole lot of ha's on one side of my chest. I went over the words in black paint to really make them pop.
I'm not gonna kill you. I'm just gonna hurt you. Really, really.
Now to start off the hand, I lightly drew the outline of the mouth. I was looking at a reference picture when I was doing this, and I am warning you, my mouth is crap compared to the picture I was looking at, but I wasn't too fussed about it anyway, so no. Using the bright red shade from my BYS Special Effects colour wheel, I coloured in the lips, and with the dark red shade, I coloured in the tongue. To finish the mouthpiece off and tidy everything up, I filled and outlined everything with the black eyeliner. Last but not least, I put some Crazy Lens black eye contacts in my eyeballs and an emerald green wig on to finish the look. Now if you like clicking stuff, click the subscribe button on my YouTube channel. If you're nosy, go and follow my Instagram at LadyVoodoo. And if you feel like being generous, just give this video a thumbs up. If not, I hope you get a really bad migraine. Thank you for watching, and I'ma love you and leave you. Bye.